Hello, 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 everybody, and good morning, or good evening, good afternoon, whenever you guys are watching this. I hope you're having a fabulous day. As you can see, we did this beautiful yellow makeup that I got from Colourpop. I'm so excited, oh my god. Oh, yes. And yes, I wear contacts because I'm technically legally blind. Yay, go me. But yeah, I did this gorgeous makeup from Colourpop's new palette, Honeyyyy. I have always wanted a all yellow palette, and I talked to them and I said I really need an all yellow palette, and they directed me to that. And oh my god, I am so happy with it. I could not be happier with a palette. Ooh, you guys are just gonna see how gorgeous it is. We took the same concealer and we're concealing up our eyes. Oh, there it is! I love it, I love it, I love it so much. Oh my god, it is so pretty. And in this palette you get 9 colors, and you get Stinger, Sunburst, and Sweet Spot. And then you get Sandy, Palooza, Queen Bee. The Palooza is gorgeous. And then you get Totally Buggin', Oh Beehive, and Buzzkill. And for this, I'm going to be going in with Queen Bee, I think. I can't remember what that one is. Even though I just said it, I can't believe it because my mind is just completely blown. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Look at it. It is gorgeous. Oh my god, it is gorgeous. Oh, that one's Oh Behave, or Beehive. I think it's Oh Behave, actually. But, oh my god. This palette, look at that, you guys. I have never had so many. I've never had a pigmented yellow. Oh, I'm loving it. This one is Buzzkill, and this is kind of a darker, and I'm going to be putting that in the crease. These colors are so blendable. It is freaking amazing. Oh, I was shocked. I mean, once you see the end of this, you guys are going to be like, what? Oh, ooh, I love it so much. Look at it. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Oh, I have never been so excited for a palette in all of my life. Next, we're going in with the LA Girl Concealer again, and we're just going to be making that beautiful cut crease that I made. And we're doing a full cut crease today. We are not doing this half stuff. No, we're doing the full cut crease. And I did actually do the cut crease a little bit lower than what I normally do. I wanted to actually try it out, and to tell you the truth, I really didn't like it too much. But I still think the makeup came out wonderfully. Then we went in with the Queen Bee. Okay, so the first one was Sweet Spot. Then we went in with Queen Bee, and we were putting that kind of in the inner corner of our V and in the center of the base. You guys, this palette is amazing. Oh my god. Next we went in with Totally Buggin', and this is going to be on the outer V. I did kind of mix her shimmer with a with a matte color, and they blended so wonderfully. Look at this, you guys. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gasp. Just gasp. 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 Yes. 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 Oh, I love it. It is so beautiful. Then I'm going to be doing the other eye off camera, just so you guys know. It takes too long if I do it all at once. Oh, and look at it. Just poof. There it is. Oh, I love it. Next, we're going in with the Pro Artist Body Art Liner by the LA Splash. Now, this stuff is waterproof, just so you know. It is such a pain in the butt to get it off, but hey, I still put it on. I really need to get a good white eyeliner. Next, we went in with the TARTECosmetics Tartiest double-sided liner, and we're going in with the felt tip side. And we are just making that wonderful wing. Oh, then we went in with E.L.F primer. Oh, and then we went in with the ITcosmetics Bye Bye foundation, as always. Ooh. I don't know what else to say when I'm doing the foundation. I really don't. But I can just say that I do have other palettes from the Colourpop. I have the lilac one. I have the orange you glad or something I think it's called. I don't have them with me right now, but I plan on doing all of them in a video, and oh my god, I am so excited. I'm so excited. These palettes are beautiful. I love them so much. Then we went in with the Profusion's Pro Conceal and Contour palette, and we're just contouring up our face. Oh, I really need to get more contouring. I am running out of that so bad. Then we went in with the Pretty Vulgar highlighter, and the thing, I cannot remember what this one's called. It's like Summer Glow or something, Summer Shine, something like that. But it's pretty. Then we went in back in with the Totally Buggin', and we're going to be doing our waterline. Ooh. Now for that part, I am using my brand's glitter, Zombiegirlcosmetics, and this is the glitter in Rotten Banana. I couldn't show any footage of the case because I actually didn't have it in a jar. It's in my own little cup thing that I use for my own glitters, so I wasn't able to show it, but I will link it in the description. Then we took the Colourpop's lipstick, and this is the shade Growing Pains. I use a lot of Colourpop, but it's okay because their stuff is phenomenal. Oh, look at it. Oh, ooh, I got goosebumps. I got goosebumps. Oh my lordy. Oh my lordy. And this is it, you guys. This is the final look for this makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I really hope you guys like this palette as much as I do. If not, there might be something wrong with you, because who doesn't love an all yellow palette? But if you guys like this video, leave me a like down below, subscribe, whatever you guys want to do, comment. Just do whatever. Hit the little notification bell. It'll tell you when I post a new video. Oh, just bring it all in. Oh, look at it. And then my glitter Rotten Banana just really sets, oh. Okay. I'm fine. Calm down, Sarah. It's just makeup. It's just makeup. Okay. I'm good. I'm good. All right, you guys. I will see you guys in my next video.